Speaking of getting stuck, as far as gaming's concerned, you can now play Zelda Breath of the Wild in a first-person point of view mode.
Oh.
I never expected to see the day. It's a glitch. It's not officially supported, but it got me thinking this was one of those games I played. I told you it's a real atmospheric thing. Now, I at no point thought, oh, I wish this was first person. It almost feels weird for a Zelda game to be first person, but it is interesting to catch a look at what that might be like. So if you click the play button right here, you'll see he goes into the menu. Does he go into the menu? Yeah, okay, he goes into the menu here, and somehow, I don't know how he's triggering the glitch. Activating a glitch isn't all that complicated. No modifications to the game or system are required. As you can see above, all you need to do is pull out the in-game camera while holding an item and then canceling it. After that, your camera is set to first person. You'll be able to see Link's shadow up close and walk about. So I can't believe that this glitch, being as simple as it was, never happened to me accidentally or was ever showcased. But anyway, here you have it. This is what it would look like. What do you think happens to the game, Will, from an immersion standpoint or from like an experience standpoint to go to first person rather than third?
It'd probably be more immersive.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
But does it spoil anything for you to not see the costume or to not see the weapons on the back?
Well, I'm sure it's not meant to be played this way.
No, definitely not.
I'm curious if he pulls out the bow or a knife or like a sword or something, how it would look. Because it's probably not modeled in this perspective.
No. I guess my question is more hypothetical.
I'm just like diving into the technical side.
Just whether or not you think a Zelda game could be cooler, in fact, in first person as opposed to third.
You know, that's a good question. It's always been... you can always see the character.
Possibly a Zelda game in VR.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm just talking right now.
I mean, yeah.
I don't know. I'm just talking.